Hi my friends, now I want to show you my new project. This is the sway bar from AMG version. I still have to install the front springs. I am stuck now because I have no spring compressor, but I will resolve this problem. Now let's see closer this guy. This is from E55 AMG. This came from Netherlands to me, and uh, here I want to show you that this is simple enough upgrade on your W210. Now guys, these are three options for the front sway bar. Here you can see, and the last one is this guy I'm showing to you with 29 and 5 millimeters. This is the heaviest duty one used on W210 chassis, and this is from AMG version. If you are going to do this mod, you will not need the shim. This is the standard. Also brackets are the standard. AMG and non-AMG version are sharing them. Also the shield and rod are standards. Here you can see the part numbers and everything matches to each other. I mean this plastic elements, and also this brackets. Here you can see this is used on AMG versions and on non-AMG versions, and it has no big meaning what type of the sway bar you are running. The only part you will need here, also these are the same, the sway bar links. I just have got them from Germany. These are genuine ones. The only part, guys, you will need here to make the swap or upgrade correctly are the bushings. Here you can see the AMG bushings have different part number. It has 17 in the middle, and non-AMG have 14. So here is the diagram, and the only part you will need to change, this is the bushing with 11 point on it. Otherwise this is bolt-on mode, and this is very easy to do. Now let's look closer to each part. Here I have now I am going to install them on my car. These are the sway bar links. Here you can see these are original ones. They are new old stock, and I was lucky to order them about 30 euros, both one from Germany and here in my local dealer. They asked about $50 for one piece, and this is madness, guys. So here you can see the part number are laserized on it, and I'm very happy to get this. Now let's move on. Also I have here the plastic elements. I may use this or may reuse that ones that are installed on my car. I know that they also look well. Definitely I'm going to use these brackets which came with this sway bar. These are original ones. I sandblasted it and then covered with some heavy duty paint. You can see it, and they look very good. They look almost like new, and I will use them powder coated. They are powder coated with black paint. Now guys, these are the bushings. These are exclusive bushings used on AMG versions. Here is the part number. This will not fit any other sway bars. This is only the sway bar which has the diameter over 29 millimeters. Here you can see them. They are also made in Spain. Now guys, I want to show you what I removed from the sway bar. This is the original one, and they still have the part number with 140 in the beginning, but as I know now, these 210 parts are referenced with these codes, and these are the same bushings. Simply this guy is used now, and it is deformating here but still goes in the bracket very tight, guys. This bushings I ordered from directly Mercedes-Benz Mannheim from Germany, and I paid about 30 euros for both of them, and it is also very good price. And at least, guys, the most expensive part in the job is the sway bar itself. If you will lucky, you can find it under 100 euros. I gave about 70 euros for it, and I bought it from Netherlands. Here you can see now that I did my best to make it look better. It had some rust points, but I mm, removed the rust and then tried to paint it with the mm, powder coated paint, the heavy duty paint, and here you can see now how it looks. Very soon I will install this on my car, and I am sure that the handling will be improved in the situation when my car from factory is equipped with the smallest diameter available sway bar on the front. I don't like it. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. It will be helpful for you. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you very much, and goodbye.